Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant Error Code VAN-79. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to find VGC service, double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select the play and OK for save changes. Don't start the service guys. After that just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings, select another app and select browse. Go to this PC, local disk C, program files, find Riot Vanguard. Just double click on the Riot Vanguard and select the VGC service and select the open option and select add. After adding the VGC service, check mark both boxes private and public and click on OK to save changes. Now restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to click on the system tray. If right Vanguard is running, just select exit Vanguard and select yes. Do the same thing for right client, exit it. After exiting both of it, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands, just copy one by one and paste it. After finishing both commands, you must restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, open up file explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, program files, right Vanguard, just right click on it and select delete option. If you not restarted your PC, then you can't delete this folder guys. Once restarted, delete the folder. Now just need to close stuff here and open up right client. After opening it, go to Valorant and you can able to see a option to update and you just need to select the update option, and once the update complete you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.